Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study better in class. First, understand your personal learning style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to customize your approach. Next, establish a consistent daily study schedule, dedicating specific times for different subjects. Finally, set clear, achievable goals for each study session, perhaps aiming to complete 2 chapters or solve 10 practice problems. This structured approach lays a strong foundation for academic success. Next, let's dive into active learning. Instead of passively reading, engage with the material by asking yourself questions and summarizing key points in your own words. Practice active recall by regularly testing yourself without notes, perhaps using flashcards or self-quizzes. Incorporate spaced repetition, reviewing topics at increasing intervals to solidify information in your long-term memory. This method significantly boosts retention and understanding. Your study environment plays a crucial role. First, maintain an organized and clutter-free study area. A tidy space promotes a clear mind. Second, minimize distractions by turning off phone notifications and closing unnecessary browser tabs. Third, ensure you have adequate lighting and comfortable seating to prevent fatigue and maintain focus for extended periods. A well-prepared environment can significantly enhance your concentration and productivity. Finally, consistent review and self-assessment are vital. Regularly review past material, perhaps weekly, to solidify your understanding and prevent forgetting. Actively identify your areas of weakness, perhaps through practice tests, and dedicate extra effort to mastering those specific topics. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from teachers or peers. Their insights can provide valuable perspectives for improvement. This continuous cycle ensures steady progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.